Hello all, hope you are doing good. So today we will see about most versatile actors in our Indian cinema. Please have a look. 15th one is Rao Ramesh Garu from Telugu. He is one of the versatile actor in Telugu who can pull off any role so easily. Recently he got an offer in KGF 2. I'm sure he will attract whole India with his acting. 14th one is Vijay Sethupathi, a gifted actor to Tamil cinema. He is completely different from other stars and one of the versatile actor in Indian cinema. 13th one is Nawazuddin Siddique sir. His acting in Badlapur, Gangs of Wasseypur loved by everyone. He is one of the person who became successful with his own talent, not of any background. 12th one is Upendra from Kannada. He is one of the versatile actor cum director in Indian cinema. His direction taking and his acting is completely different from others. He is also one of the most loved actor from South India. 11th one is going to be Manoj Bajpayee sir. He is one of the finest actor in our Indian cinema. He can pull off any role easily. His acting in The Family Man is just an example of his caliber. What an actor he was. A brilliant performer. His roles in Family Man, Gangs of Wasseypur loved by many. 10th one is Mohan Babu from Telugu. People call him as Dialogue King. He acted in various roles throughout his film career. He is one of the gem in Indian cinema when it comes to dialogue delivery. 9th one is Surya sir. Not only love story, he can do any kind of role easily, whether it is commercial or experimental films. He is one of the most loved actor in South India. His acting in Ghajini is just top notch. No one can match his performance. 8th one is going to be Vikram sir. He is a gifted actor to Tamil industry and also our Indian cinema. He is one of the egoless actor in our India. 7th one is Irfan Khan sir. He is really natural and a gifted actor to our India, whose work is loved throughout the world. Unfortunately, we lost him recently. It's a great loss to our Indian cinema. 6th one is going to be Mr. Perfectionist Aamir Khan sir. He is one of the actor who always try to come up with different script with every film. He can pull off any kind of role easily. 5th one is Big B Amitabh Bachchan sir. He can easily fit into any role. Still at this age, he is entertaining everyone with different roles and get-ups. 4th one is going to be Malayalam superstars Mohanlal sir and Mammootty sir. Both are equally great in acting and a gifted actors to Malayalam industry. 3rd one is Prakash Raj sir. He is very known to every film industry. He is one of the actor who can pull off any role, whether it is father, villain, supporting actor, anything easily. He is such a gem in acting. 2nd one is going to be Nana Patekar sir. He is one of the very rare actor who can do it so naturally, and he got 3 national awards for his acting, which is really a great thing. First one is going to be none other than Kamal Haasan sir. There is no doubt that he is the best in acting and versatility. He is such a gift to our Indian cinema. There is no competition to Kamal Haasan sir when it comes to acting. So that's all. Sorry for missing out any, and I'm not supporter for any. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.